Let's go through how to set up background music for your video. You can customize your VidDay video with music that fits the moment. From your event page, click the Customize card. That's going to bring you to the Customize section where you can choose background music. Click Add Song and you'll see some options. You can choose songs from the music library or upload your own. In the music library, you can preview tracks by clicking the play button. And when you find one you like, just add it to your playlist. Then head back to your playlist where you can click and drag songs in any order you want. If your playlist is shorter than your video, it'll simply loop to cover the full length. Now, what if you have a video clip or a picture where you don't want the background music playing? Just click on that specific thumbnail to go to the edit view. Then toggle the background music button to fade out the music for the duration of that clip or picture. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your VidDay video has a custom soundtrack.